Hey guys, Mike here, The Fresh Rinse. On a Sunday afternoon, doing a little maintenance here in preparation for a decent week this week before I go on vacation the following week. And one of the things that I'm doing to prepare for this week is to change out orifices in my downstream injectors. Now, we've talked about this before. In fact, I will put a link in the description on the full tutorial on downstream injectors that specifically addresses orifice sizes. So let me show you what I've got here, and let's see here. Here's a downstream injector. All right, so we know what that is. And inside this downstream injector, there is the ball, spring, and O-ring. All three of those can go out, and if you're having a problem with your downstream injector, it's not drawing for whatever reason, the first thing you want to check is the spring, the ball, or the O-ring, which is inside the barbed area or this encasement area of the downstream injector. However, there's a fourth part of the downstream injector, which is the orifice, which goes right inside there, and they tend to go bad over time. Now let me show you what a bad orifice looks like. Got that right there? Now let me show you what a good one looks like right here. This is a 2.3 orifice, which is the largest orifice that I will use, meaning it draws the least chemical. It actually draws the same amount of chemical, but it pulls the most water, so it dilutes the chemical. And I'm gonna see if you can see that. Yeah, you can. So you see how big that orifice is. So that's a brand new orifice, all right? You know what, I'm gonna check. I'm pretty sure that's a brand new one, but I mean, it's inside the bag, but I may have thrown an old one in there for some reason. Regardless, this won't take me just a second. Bear with me, my friends. You can get these from Russ Johnson at Southside Equipment. Well, there's one that looks maybe a little newer. This is one I just pulled out. I think I may have switched them out from the 2.1 to the 2.3. This one's probably good. So that in fact is a 2.1. So that was in the wrong bag. I put that in the wrong bag. So this is a 2.3 injector or orifice. I apologize for being scatterbrained, but I've been driving for 6 hours to get home. Anyways, that's what you see is a bad orifice. Now what's going to happen with this is it's just simply not going to draw. It doesn't draw chemical. So you're on the back of a house, you're spraying down that dirty side, and you're like, what the heck? Why is this thing not drawing? And you go back and you pull the orifice out. Now you use a number 5/32. See that right there? 5/32. I'm doing this one-handed, so bear with me, my friends. I'm gonna put that on there. This is a great video, isn't it? So we're gonna put that there, and we're doing this one-handed. All right. Tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put the camera right here. All right. I need my GoPro. Put that in there like that. Did you see that? Did you see that? So there's the orifice. Put the orifice on the hex key, Allen wrench, put it right in there, and change that bad boy out. Just like that. So it's done. So now we have a brand new, fully repaired 2.3 injector, and that's going to go right here. And I actually will be using this as a backup to this one. I've repaired this one as well. Both are stainless, and once again, you can get everything. Stainless injectors. You can also buy the repair kits and the pack of orifices from Russ Johnson Southside Equipment. Now, the orifices are not cheap, but they're a lot cheaper than a brand new downstream injector, right? So, you know, I would rather repair it. I've had this one for a long time, this one for a long time. I keep others in backup. And so if this one goes bad on me tomorrow with the 8 machine, I'll just reach over and grab this one real quick and replace it, and then repair this one when I get home, and then or replace it with another. I mean, I have many different options. So just thought I'd show you what a bad orifice looks like compared to a good one. So there's the bad one. Here's a good one. And bam. See there? there you have it. Hey, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell tab if you'd like to be alerted to future videos. My name's Mike. They call me the Fresh Rinse, and I am prepared for this week.